shop the Divine collection from ENL Beauty. This is our limited collection. Order it right now from our website www.enlbeautyng.com. So this is a 10-minute makeup challenge. I'm challenging myself to do my makeup in less than 10 minutes. Let's see if I succeed. So I'm going to start with priming my skin with the LA Girl Pro Prep. This primer right here, and it's very affordable. I better talk less if I want to be very fast. So prime my skin. I want to imagine that somebody's downstairs waiting for me to quickly do my makeup and run downstairs. So prime. The next foundation, I'm going to use this Maybelline Superstay foundation. No, it's not, it's too light for my skin, but you guys are going to see how I'm going to blend it in. Maybelline Superstay. Oh shit. It's too light for my skin, obviously, but let's just work with it. Okay, I'm done with foundation. It's time to highlight my face. I want to highlight my under eye area and the bridge of my nose. Yeah, right here. And a bit of my forehead area. I could be well. And let's blend this out. Just ignore the placement of my wig. When I'm done with my makeup, I'm going to place my wig right. But for now, let it just be how it is. Okay, so here. Next. So rather, I'm done with highlighting my face. I want to move on now to set the whole of my face, and I'm going to use this ZK powder right here in the shade Toffee. Using this brush, I'm going to use this powder to set my under eye area, the part of my face that I highlighted. That's my under eye area right here. My cupid's bow, my chin, my forehead area, and the bridge of my nose. Just put it there somehow, sure. And sort of extend it to the other parts of my face, because this is also my face powder. So I'm basically using my face powder for my highlights and setting the other parts of my face. Now to give my face some definition, I'm going to use this powder right here from Mary Kay in the shade Bronze 2. This is going to give my face a much needed definition and sort of tone down the shade of the foundation that is too light for my skin. Also, I'm going to be looking like a ghost. So I'm going to put that darker powder all around the corners of my face. And I'm using the same brush. So this area right here, I'm going to put a powder there. Underneath my chin, right here. And here. This area right here. I will also use the same powder to this dark one to contour the sides of my nose from here. Don't know what the time is right now, but I just hope I'm on point. Just define the sides of my nose. Yeah, right. Okay, so we're done with setting our face and the contouring thing. Let me just go over it a bit with this contour powder. Using this fluffy powder brush. Okay, so now I can drag my wig downwards a bit. It's too high. I was just trying to finish up my skin work. Okay. Now it's time to do my brows. I'm gonna brush my brow hairs in place, like so. Brush in place. Brow pencil, sharpened. So, put a line here. Fill it in. With hair-like strokes there. On top. This pencil is not really supporting me, but oh god. It's time to define my brows, and I'm using the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn. Yay. Okay. I need my mirror close by. Let's see exactly what needs to be seen. I don't know how much time I have left. Maybe I've only used 10 minutes and I'm still sure. Almost done. I want to blend that concealer into my skin. Blend, 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 blend. Then next, I want to use this lipstick for my lips, and it's from ENL Beauty named Moyo. I'm going to apply Moyo all over my lips. Because of the velvet texture of this lipstick, I just applied it on there so that it sort of dries a bit before I apply my lip liner. You don't want to do much for my eyeshadow. I'm going to go back to this powder which I used on my face. I'm going to blend this powder all over my eyelids. Just blend this powder all over. It's literally like I'm using a powder for my eyeshadow, but not so. Just blend this powder all over. Then next, I'm going to do my eyeliner, and I'm using this eyeliner right here. Don't know how much time I have left for. I want to apply my mascara, and I'm using this one from Beauty. It's a volumizing mascara. My lips are all set now. I'm gonna do my lip liner, and I'm using this one from Beauty named the Coffee Lip Liner. I've obviously exceeded 10 minutes, obviously. Yeah, so I'm done with my lips. To finish up my look, I'm gonna apply blush, and I'm gonna use this one from Beauty, the eyeshadow palette named Fit. This orange eyeshadow right here. I'm gonna use it as my blush. I'm gonna apply it on my cheek area right here. Yes. And I'm also going to contour my face with this eyeshadow here named Onika. I'm gonna put it it's too much, that's too much, but I'm gonna have to work with it. Yeah, just to contour my face. I don't in too much, but it will make it work. Yeah, so that's our contour, and then back to our blush. Yes. Yeah. So guys, this is the finished makeup look. How did I do, and how much time did I use? Let me stop my camera and see how much time I used. So obviously I used about 15 minutes to do this makeup look. I don't know how it looks, guys, but share your thoughts with me in the comment section. This is the makeup look I can wear for work. I can wear this makeup look to school. I can wear this makeup look to church. I can wear this makeup look for a meeting, to go out with my friends, and to just finish up the look. I'll just add a lip gloss to it to even make myself look more, youthful. Just gonna add this lip gloss to it. Yeah. So this is the fastest makeup look I've done since the history of me starting my YouTube channel. So guys, tell me what you think about this look, and all the products I used in creating this look were very affordable. Let me know if you want to see more very easy, quick makeup tutorials unedited on my channel, and I'll be glad to share with you. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll catch you in my next video. I love you. Bye. Have a fabulous day. Remember, be bold, have courage, live a positive life. I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.